I asked the Lord what heaven is singing now. He said to me, Agiazo, I dedicate myself to you, O Lord. This life I live is no longer my own. Agiazo, 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 I present myself to you, separated unto you. Agiazo, 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 I present myself to you, separated